how to contact support on both. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can contact support on both, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your both account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, automatically you will go to the page where you would see your map, all right, showcasing your location and other things, and then you'll see a search box asking you to type where you're heading to. Now, as you can see this, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on three horizontal dashes. Then once you've clicked on those dashes, a page will be displayed showcasing your profile, payments, promotions, my rights, expense, my rights, support, about. You just click on support, and then after clicking on support, you'll be taken to the support page. So once the support page has loaded, you can see a write-up which says how can we help, and then you can see inbox, you can see get help with your recent ride, you can see order and order right, all of that, and then you can also see other things that you can get help from. So you can just check out these articles, and then you find an answer. But if not, click on the inbox, and then you can see that there is no open conversation with both support. So the major way is by checking out the articles that has been displayed for you on the screen. All right, so this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can use or contact support on both. Thanks for watching and have a good day.